This tutorial is designed to help you set up an occupational license account with the California DMV. Before you begin, you'll need to have submitted a completed application along with required fees to an occupational license inspector. Once completed, you'll receive an email from the DMV. When you open your email, you'll want to write down your verification code and license number. You'll need them later to confirm your account when you log in and before you schedule an inspection for the first time. When you're ready, select the link to start the account registration process. On the login page, select Create an Account. On the next page, you'll enter the email address you provided when you submitted your application. Then, enter it again to confirm. Then select Continue. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address that you provided. If you don't receive it, check to see that it is the same email that you provided on your application. Open the email titled Your DMV Account Email Confirmation Link. Then select Confirm Your Email. Enter your first name, last name, phone number, and select whether you'd like to receive your verification code by text or a phone call. Then select Continue. Check your phone for a 6-digit verification code and enter it. Then confirm your phone number. You'll be asked to create a password. Then select Continue. Your account has been created. Select Click here to begin. To log in, enter the email address that you used to register your account, the password you created, and select Login. Select how you would like to receive your confirmation code. Would you like it by text or phone call? Click Continue. When you receive your confirmation code, enter it into the text box and select Confirm Phone Number. Congratulations! You've set up your account and successfully logged in. We hope you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful.